Live it up, live it up, live it up, live it up.
Okay, so hey, what's going on, guys? It's Siddharth back here with another awesome cool video. And well, technically speaking, there are 2 or 3 videos that I have already posted on the channel, but they weren't meant to be the official content. Well, this is the video that you all have been waiting for. This is it, guys. This is it. And when if you are new here on this channel, then you might want to subscribe it because you're always gonna find this type of awesome and high quality videos every time. So well, today I have this is the Logitech K480 multi-device keyboard, and a lot of people are buying it because it's at a very good price and it can connect to multiple devices at the same time. This is because of that special ring on the top left corner, as you can see. And well, today I have also bought it for my iPad and I'm going to unbox it and show you. Well, I'm wasting a lot of time, so let's get right into it. Okay, so as you can see, this is the front profile of the keyboard, and then the bottom it is written multi-device in bold characters with K480 written in the bottom. And this is the side profile of the keyboard, it's printed on the box, and again multi-device. On the top you can see this is written Logitech branding, and there are 2 seals which I'm going to break and then show you what are the internal things that you get inside the box. So let me do it at really quick. Okay, so as you can see, I've break opened the seals and the box is now open. So I'm going to open it really quick and show you what are the internal things. So let me do that. And yeah, as you can see, this is the keyboard itself. It is placed upside down, I think so. So let me flip it and I'm gonna show you everything properly. And yeah, as you can see, this is the keyboard itself and it's packed in a really good manner, and the quality of the Logitech definitely seems to be good. The everything is packed in just the way it should be. This is what is called a good packaging. This is a keyboard, guys, and the packaging for a keyboard is this good. I just can't believe it. Well, the keys are very tactile, and it has a very nice theft to it. The Logitech branding on the top is really good, and the green accents are really making it look different from rest of the keyboards that are available in the market. Well, keeping it aside, you also get a manual. It is a warranty card or some information which nobody really needs, and you just won't read it, I think so, but it is typed in and printed in different languages. So I'm gonna keep that aside, and as you can see, there is literally nothing left inside the box. The box is just empty, so I'm gonna keep it aside and show you what are the other things. Okay, so as you can see, I just taken out from the box and it's there. Let me keep this wrapper aside really quick and I'm gonna show you what are the other features that you get. As you can see, it is black in color with green accents all around it. The keys are very tactile. I'm pressing it and the sound is very nice, and it has a very nice theft to it. There are some setup instructions given on the top, and these are 5 steps. And by the way, it is a sticker, guys, so don't worry that it would be there. No, you can just peel it off and it would be black in color. There are 2 buttons for setup and a dial on the top left corner, which is the primary function of this keyboard. This is the speciality, and it can connect to 3 devices at the same time. The groove is really nice. Groove is very sturdy, and I don't think so that anything will just fall off from it, and that is still just my thinking. I'm gonna test it and then tell you in the review, so stay tuned for the review. It will be going live soon. So yeah, as you can see, there is the cell section and the 2 cells are already included, so don't worry that you gotta buy some cells for this specially. Don't worry, these are included. There is also a power on off switch and a LED light indicator which glows in green color. As you can see, everything is just black and green, or black and fluorescent, I would say. Everything is just black and fluorescent, and it just really looks good. As you can see, as soon as I turned it on, there is a blue LED blinking at the top right corner. And now I'm gonna connect it with different devices and show you what are the things. So as you can see, I've just grabbed up my iPad and I'm gonna demonstrate the whole features of this keyboard with this device only. So let me show you and how to connect it with this keyboard. And by the way, it would be the same type of procedure for all the devices, so don't worry. Just what you gotta do is just turn on the Bluetooth in your device. And by the way, don't worry, I'm also gonna demonstrate each and every step, so stay tuned. As you can see, this is the iPad, and yeah, as you can see, I'm gonna go into my settings section and then just turn on the Bluetooth. As you can see, this is the Bluetooth part, and I'm gonna turn it on. And as you can see, these are the whole devices that you can get here, and it's gonna search for it really quick. And yeah, this is the name of the keyboard. This is keyboard K480, and then just connect to it and show you what are the other things. And as you can see, it is still connecting. And by the way, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, do subscribe it, because you're always gonna find these type of high quality videos, and a lot of more videos and content is coming up, so stay tuned for that. As you can see, it is connected now, and there is also a warning. I'm gonna demonstrate you all the features for it, so let's get right into it. So I just placed the iPad in the groove and everything is working perfectly. The home button, the recent button, everything is just working amazingly and just the way it should be. Let me show you in a zoomed manner. As you can see, the recent tab is really quick, and I can also search across different types of apps. So well, by the way, this is the feature of the iPadOS, so don't expect this to be a feature of the keyboard. And the latency is very low as well, so everything feels fluid and responsiveness is really good. And by the way, this was pretty much it for the keyboard. As you can see, these are the two buttons, one for the iOS and second for the Android and Windows. And that was pretty much it, guys. It was amazing to use this type of keyboard, and everything feels amazing. And if you do like the video, then drop a like, comment on the video what are your thoughts on this keyboard, and subscribe the channel if you haven't yet, and also turn on the notifications. And that was pretty much it, guys. Thank you for watching the video. This is Siddharth Dogra from Mastermind signing off.